I remember you. Let me see if I know your name.
Konstantinos and Tony.
Yeah.
Rahim.
No. How you doing, man?
Good, good. How are you? Everything
Good.
okay?
Yeah, very good. How nice is that, huh? Very nice, right? Be so far from home, to feel so welcome. Yeah, that's a testament to this place. And it's also a testament to me, right? You get back what you put out, which is ironic. Because normally I get a lot of nonsense.
Sorry for spoiling your windows.
No, dude, you just made it better.
Oh, thanks.
Hello. It might be going on 7 o'clock. Good morning. I just took the best nap. Yeah, well needed, well deserved. 2 hours. Yeah. I got a nice 2-hour nap. Alright, come on. Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go. Let's take a ride. Let's eat. Let's get out here. Yeah, it's 6:30. There's a sunset's gonna happen. Let's take the drone out. Let's go. Let's take a ride. For this? I'm gonna say it. Hold on. This here is my favorite Greek island. See? It's not Mykonos, it's not Santorini, it's not the one you heard about, it's not the one you read about, it's not the one you've seen about. It's the one that gave you a blank canvas that you got to paint your story on. And in all fairness to my decision, it could be Patmos. At best, they're tied. However, they're the same type of raw, unspoiled island that's waiting for you to come dream on your dream. So, anyway, I'm here. I am here. And you know, this is also home to the best chocolate croissant that I've been talking about. Il maestro Petralia quando fa un accordo in sol il papà Listen, mark your calendars. Late August. We're gonna do a video all about the best chocolate croissant. Late August. Maybe early September. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen. As early as tomorrow morning. So as soon as we end tonight, I get my chocolate croissant. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Morgans. just reminds me of family. It's family. It's who you are, or it's how they make you feel. And this place always makes me feel like I'm family.